Authentic versus Authelia. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the best open source identity providers in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's begin with their setup and installation. Authentic has a modern UI and a Docker first setup, making deployment easy for beginners. It comes with sensible defaults and the web-based setup wizards that simplifies the initial configuration. Authelia, on the other hand, is more manual. You will work with YAML files and nginx or Traefik proxies, which gives more control but also adds complexity. Next is their UI and admin experience. Authentic offers a clean, intuitive dashboard where you can manage flows, users, policies, and providers visually. While Authelia is more minimal, you will manage it mostly via configuration files and logs, which is great for sysadmins but less user-friendly. And now, on their authentication methods and flexibility. Authelia supports a wide range of 2FA options and fine-grained access control for reverse proxies. It's excellent for zero-trust security setups, while Authentics also supports multiple authentication providers and flows with dynamic policies and OAuth or OpenID features. And for integrations and ecosystem, Authentic integrates out of the box with ldap, SAML, OAuth, and has a built-in proxy provider for forward authentication, while Authelia focuses on protecting services behind reverse proxies like nginx, with strong compatibility but fewer native integrations. So for final verdict, if you want a polished UI, easier setup, and modern features, you can go and get this choice for Authentic. But if you need tight control over authentication, policies, and are comfortable managing configs, Authelia is for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.